All right, y'all know what time it is, man. I'm here to educate you guys on what's going on in the foreign exchange market. You guys always ask me all the time, well, what is the difference? Like, do you make money from, just bringing people into the business, or do you make money trading the foreign exchange market? Now, I want to tell you guys, there is a referral program for anything that you're participating in. There's referral programs for the apartment that you live in. You may get $100, off of the rent, or you may even get $500, put towards your next bill, whatever the case may be. Okay, if you guys ever had a Dosh app, right, you're able to send that Dosh app to somebody, and because they download the app, you probably got $25. I had people hit me up, sending me this link telling me, hey, I just need you to sign up so I can go ahead and make $25. Also, if you have Cash App, you're able to refer a friend through Cash App and make $5 just from you sharing that Cash App, app to a friend, right? So this is the same thing that's going on in the foreign exchange market, well, specifically with I Am Mastery Academy. But I want you guys to know that you're able to also make money trading the foreign exchange market, as simple as this. Okay, I want to break it down to you so that way you can have a better understanding of what we're doing here at Trade House Investment Group. We're the best investment group in the world. There's no other investment group that's like us. Okay, so on average, we make about 600 pips a week. Now that's like minimum. That's just us saying that we've only gotten to maybe out of the whole week. Let's say we got into trades on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, let's say we got into trades on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So we made about 600 pips a week. Okay, now you guys are probably wondering, what does a pip mean? A pip is just a unit of measurement that we use in the foreign exchange market. So just like how we measure distance in miles, okay, it's the same thing that's going on here in the foreign exchange market. But I want to give you guys a perfect example of what is it going to look like in realist terms. What is it going to look like for you on an everyday basis? So let's say that we go to a basketball game, and let's say that I bet you $1 for every point that the Lakers make within the first half. So let's say the Lakers make 20 points in the first half. Guess how much money I owe you? If you guessed it, you're absolutely right. I owe you $20. Okay. So boom, after us understanding that basic math right here, it's the same thing that's going on right here, okay? But these right here, these numbers right here are considered your lot sizes, right? Now your lot size is pretty much, how much money you're gonna put into every single trade, right? These are your lots, okay? So look, have a 1.00 lot. The 1.00 equals to $10 per pip. Now I want you guys to understand, this is exclusive information that we give here at Trade House Investment Group. Once you join our investment group, we're going to make sure that you're having personal mentorship, free trainings, and a better hands-on understanding of what's going on in the foreign exchange market. Just like I'm giving you guys this video right here, you're going to have in-depth training just like this. But here's the thing, okay? You only get the specific trading plan that we have that's making people $1,000 on a weekly basis will Trade House Investment Group. But let's go ahead and keep going. All right, 1.00 is the lot that you're going to use. All right, so let's say that you got to every single trade this week on that 1 week for 1.00. Okay, now that 1.00 equals $10 per pip. Okay, so at the end of the week, you would have made, if you guessed it, $6,000. Now, you don't have to be a mathematician for you to be able to understand this basic math. Me personally, I was never, great at math myself. I was probably like a B student in math, but whatever makes sense is going to definitely make you dollars. So the next point right here is going to be a 0.10. That equals to $1 per pip. Okay. So if you got into every single trade for a 0.10, guess how much money you have made? And if you guessed it, you're absolutely right. I want you to know, if you're able to guess these numbers right here, you can definitely participate in the foreign exchange market. It's just that simple. All right. Now, this last lot size of a 0.10 is the minimum lot size that you can use trading the foreign exchange market. Okay. Now look, it equals to 10 cents per pip. Okay. So let's say you got to every single trade this week for 0.01. Guess what? You made $60 in a week. So, a lot of people could use $60 in a week, $600, $6,000 in a week. But here's the thing. You guys would have never known, that you're able to invest this type of money in the foreign exchange market if I never broke it down to you. So, shout out to your boy, Multimillionaire Mari, giving you guys these free gems right here. So look, okay, now let's talk about the monthly. Okay, let's talk about the monthly. Let's talk about how much money you're going to make on a month, because that's what really matters. You know, people have different bills they got to pay for, such as car notes, cable, lights, whatever the case may be. So let's go ahead and get into it. So if you made $6,000 a week, guess how much money you've made in a month? You've made, what is it? Yeah, okay, $180,000 on a month. All right, sounds kind of crazy, but it is what it is. Okay, this is what investing looks like. Okay, this is definitely what investing looks like. This is what it looks like to actually participate in the foreign exchange market. All right, so look, now if you did a 0.01, you got it for $1 per pip. Okay, we did 600 pips a week. You have made $18,000 by the end of the month. All right, now the last thing would be, you know, out of that 60 a week, you've made a good $1,800 at the end of the month. All right, boom. So that's what it is. That's exactly what it is. This is somebody's rent, this is somebody's tuition, and this is someone's mortgage. Okay, imagine what you can do with that type of money on a day-to-day basis. Imagine what, you know, that'll do for just you in general, okay? And this is just trading the foreign exchange market. Now, I tell you guys all the time that we have a copy-paste profit program within our investment group, and most people don't really realize, how imperative that is, or what it, that looks like exactly. I want you guys to know that it's very simple. It's very easy to do, just like how I explained to you guys, what lot sizes are, how much money you're going to make on a weekly basis or whatever. But here's the thing, you're able to copy paste profit within our investment group, but then also you're able to take that money and you're able to withdraw it. You're able to withdraw that money. This is as real as it gets, okay? So you let me know, when you're looking to invest, and we can start getting you educated on how you can make more money in the foreign exchange market than you ever made before in your life. All right, it's Multimillionaire Mari, and that's education for you on this beautiful Wednesday.